Hi everyone. We have Sushmita here, and she is Pythonista, and I'm a JavaScriptian. And before anything, let me just give over to Sushmita for giving a quick introduction. Go on, Sushmita.
Hi everyone. So I am Sushmita. Yeah. So I am a CSE third year undergraduate, and I'm a big Python geek. So I love to do everything in Python, like Praveen do everything in JavaScript. I'm a Python fan. Yeah. So I'm basically a data science learner, and I'm also a Django developer. I'm currently interning as a Django developer in a company also. So yeah, that's about me. And
That's awesome.
and yes, Praveen, why are you wearing that hoodie like this?
Oh, yesterday I was doing this podcast, and suddenly someone said that I look really cool in this hoodie. So I just thought, why not I change completely my attire to always hoodie? Okay, how many of you like this hoodie attire, or should I go back to? I don't want to go back, but
It looks
please let
cool.
me know. So in the comments. So by the way, okay, Sushmita is gonna win. Eddie is already here. Eddie, look at me. I'm using this. Do you still think you gonna support Sushmita or you're gonna support me? Please tell me. Come on. So yeah. So that's something which I wanted to say. And the another thing is, yeah, Sushmita has been like a lot of support to me. Oh my god. Hey, look at Eddie. Eddie is supporting you like anything. Okay, for supporting her, please everyone subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up just for Sushmita. Okay, and for me as well. So it should be like double, the double bonanza or something like that. All right. So what are we going to do today? Oh my god, this guy always says, Eddie, please, why are you always firing me? Hey, look at Sushmita, look at the comments. How many people are
Yeah.
supporting you? Woohoo! Let's make Sushmita famous. Okay, cool. So we have got a lot of new people. So Prakash, Satvik, Katak Dev. Oh my God, these people are like 1, 2, 3, 4, hey, and Sabah, hey Sabah. Yes, today. So let's talk about what exactly we are going to do today. So before that, can you all confirm me whether the voice is okay, the videos are okay, everything is fine, right? Right. So not all the bots are going to be interactive, like they are not dually interactive. Today, what we are going to do is we are going to start with something very basic. We are just going to try with a new Discord server, and we are going to connect a Node.js or a Python application with the Discord to send some awesome information every 1 hour or so. Okay, so I'm gonna do it using Node.js, using JavaScript, and Sushmita, Pythonista, she's going to do the same thing using Python. I would just let you all decide which wins. Okay, I always support JavaScript, but I still say Python is number one language, but I still support JavaScript because you know I'm a JavaScript person. Come on, Sushmita, defend yourself right now.
Yeah. I think Python is easier, and it's like pseudo code, and you don't need to go into the syntax barrier. So I think Python will win. Let's see.
Really?
Yeah.
Say something for me now.
Okay.
I'm
Best
just
of luck to
clueless.
you.
Right. So let's also have a quick look at what people say right now. So have you seen the comments? People are really enthusiastic about what um, each of them are saying. So Sushmita, and great. That is nice. And we have Eddie here. Eddie is the open source god, and we have got Akil. Hey, 005 Sushmita. What is 005, by the way?
Actually, I had my exams till yesterday, and we had to change our name with our roll numbers. So
That is so bad.
yeah, I
Okay,
forgot to change my name. Can I do it and it will?
it's okay. It will. You can do it later. I guess you need to go
Yeah,
and change it in your account details
yeah,
or something. Yeah, these Indian colleges are so bad. They are invading our privacy. All right.
Yeah.
So, Sushmita, are you clear about what we are going to build today?
Yeah.
Cool. Do you want to create a new server and invite me, or should I create a new server and invite you? What would be the best way? We will
I think
also
you
tell
can.
about Discord to a lot of people because not many people will know what Discord is. And that would also be nice, right? What do you all think? Should we also say about Discord?
I think you can create a server, and we can both have the admin privileges to invite the bots. We both will create.
Okay, seems good. And right. Okay, so who wants to do it? Sorry. I keep getting confused. You want to do it or I want to do it?
Anything will
You
work
do it.
fine. Okay.
Start with that. Okay,
Okay.
you can go ahead, share your screen,
Okay.
and please, everyone, can you all confirm if once she starts sharing the screen, you all are able to see it? And can we have some more enthusiasm for the new Sushmita here? She's gonna win. Oh my god, dude, what are you doing? You are like convincing me or confusing me that you should win. I should win. We are battling.
Let me share my screen. I think.
Sure. Okay, I guess.
No. Is it visible?
Can everyone confirm if you all are able to see Sushmita's screen, please? Yes, Tanvi says everything is okay. Thank you, Tanvi. People who are watching this, please go ahead, hit the like button, and show the support for Sushmita and me.
Okay, so I'll create a new server.
Bam! Look at so much enthusiasm. Will you support Sushmita? See, all these people are saying yes. Okay, there are some couple of off-topic chat as well. When you are trying to set up everything, just go ahead and keep setting up. I'll just respond to these people. So Dhruv says like, "Hey Praveen sir, when will you be coming live with the remaining part of your creating personal portfolio for international jobs video?" Okay, let me try to think. Who did I do it with? I guess it is the team. I have actually asked them. Definitely, I'll come back soon once they provide a date or something like that, and for sure it is going to happen soon. And Hira says, "Hey Hira, uh, you're building a great cornerstone. Thank you. I don't understand what cornerstone is, but thanks a lot." Um, Please go ahead, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, by the way, this is a part of this whole okay, Sushmita, I totally forgot what is this series about. Damn, I guess it is about gaming and hackathons.
Hackathons and gaming. Yeah.
Yeah, hackathons and gaming. So if you haven't registered, go ahead and register for some surprise gifts. I'm gonna send the link in the chat, and I'm also going to go ahead pin it as well. Surprise gifts. I'm gonna send the link.
I'm sharing the link with you, Praveen.
I just share. Oh, okay, sure. You're sharing. Hey, careful! Your WhatsApp is on the whole screen.
Okay.
Okay, I've stopped the screen share. I mean, like I've like, don't worry, it's not any more visible. You can just go ahead and do it.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Thanks, Sushmita. You can change your WhatsApp window so that I can switch back to. Okay, cool. So this is the way Sushmita has actually invited me, I believe. So I'm just gonna quickly check if I can actually access it from my WhatsApp. Okay, I haven't received it actually. Yep, got it. Thank you. Cool. It's a one channel, one member group, and I have joined it.
Yeah. So I'll create.
I guess you might need to make me as a co-admin as well.
Yeah. I'm doing that.
No, that's like view server as a role, I believe. Okay. Or else no, no, no. Yeah. So
I, it's been long since I did these things. So
okay, let's do something. So here, click on manage roles, click on manage channels. I guess
I
it
think
is something called
I
as
need to
manage.
create a
Okay,
role.
just create a new role called Praveen then. Or else, actually, what you can do is wait. If you go back to Discord, just close this thing, delete the role. On the right side, just press the escape or press escape. So this is how you do the moderation kind of thing. So inside the general channel, you can actually add me as a moderator or something. Yeah, in the chat, if you can all help us setting it up, um, we are ready. Okay,
I think
so
create a new role as
I
admin
guess it's
and
better you create a new row. Hey, click on the settings in the general. There is a small settings in the general, right? Click on that.
it will be channel setting, I guess.
Permissions.
For the server setting, I think I need to create a new role as admin,
Yeah,
and I can give the permission of
better
administrator.
than yeah. Okay, just do that. Easy.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of things that you can do with Discord, like adding a reaction role and stuff like that. I'm still exploring what Discord is and how you can make a lot of things with Discord. So yeah, so it takes some time for me as well to like explain what it is. So for now, Sushmita is going to teach you a lot of things, and we'll see how we can work with Node.js as well. So looking at the chat messages, uh, hey, awesome. So many people watching, 20 plus people watching. Thank you for coming in. And yeah, yes, Ayush, I can understand. Sushmita is already a winner. So right now we are trying to give the roles to me and adding a role admin. Bam. Awesome. I got the admin permissions.
Yeah.
Woohoo. So right. If I try to go check the integrations, perfect. I'm able to see all these things. Cool. Now what we are going to do is the first thing. If you click on the general channel settings, go ahead, click that up. So
Yeah.
here you'll be able to see something called as integrations. So click on the integrations. So this is where you will be able to create webhooks. Webhooks are those that you can use them to send messages to the channels. But it's all right. Anyway, we are going to discuss this whole whole Discord server, right? So after this live stream, due to the nature of so many private stuff we are going to reveal. So just create a new webhook. How many of you have not used Discord so far? Please mention it in your comments. And by any chance, if you have any questions on these things, please feel free to ask. Even I am learning. I'll be able to help you and like at least guide you something on these things. So right. So it says Sparky bot, right? Wait. You have done two. Delete the second webhook. Just click on the delete button. The delete link. Yeah. Okay, so click on the Spidey bot and just change the name to something like, okay, what kind of a name? Okay, and one more thing, we are planning to do a bot that gives you a information, some kind of an information every couple of hours. What would be the best idea for the bot? Let the community decide. Please write your ideas. And also, I would like to say, um, please also give a nice name for the bot as well. This is going to be a one-way bot, a bot that does just response, like just sends you messages. It doesn't really take up messages. So if you want to see a bot that is interactive, I guess Eddie has got already created something that actually responds to your messages. So have a quick look at that one. Ask Eddie for the link. And coming to the chat messages, hey, Hargun is also here. Hey, Hargun. Hey, Shreyash. Shreyas, as I already said, regarding the React portfolio part two, definitely we are in talks with the team, the hackathon team. They have not responded back yet. So definitely soon it is going to happen. Yes, Eddie is also another thing. Uh, Eddie, do you think Eddie is actually breaching our privacy? Because whenever I say something private to you, it is going to jump in and say, Praveen, what you're talking is wrong. So, what do you say for this? Cool. So, what have we done? What have we decided? Folks, tell a good name and then you can win a swag. Anyone, please.
Can
Okay.
you confirm if my whole screen is visible or just this tab is?
I'm able to see the Spidey bot, the
And
Discord. Don't
now?
click on that. Yes. Okay, you clicked on it. You know it. So that's what is visible right now.
Okay.
All right. Okay, cool. Oh, cool. That's nice. Hey, look at this. Perry the platypus. I guess it's this berry, right? Like who's the platypus? Oh my god. It's Phineas and Ferb. Phineas and Ferb platypus. What is the name of the platypus? Perry the platypus. We can use the same thing. And would you like to do it, Sushmita? It's Perry the platypus.
Can you spell the name?
It's Perry the platypus. Oh my god, I actually saw other people also messaging something. One is Messenger bot, Prasush bot. Actually, Prasush bot looks nice. Pie Master, no, I hate it. There is nothing in Java for it. Very the platypus seems really like the cultural stuff. Chatbot, Prasush is like, yeah. I mean, it's okay, cool. So the channel this bot lives in will be in general, and then what we need to do is, hey, just get the platypus picture. Just copy this Perida platypus, go Google search for it, and then you will be able to easily get the picture of Perida platypus. And whoa, you just did something. Bam! My face is looking so bad. Okay. You stopped the
Okay.
screen sharing by mistake. You stopped the screen sharing by mistake. That's fine. That's fine. You're okay now. Damn. I made some mistake now. Sorry. No, no, not platypus images. Just type in Perry the platypus. Remove the images as well. Yeah, Perry the plat. Yeah. Have you heard of him? Have you
No.
heard of him?
No.
This guy is so famous. He is a part of Phineas and Ferb, and he's a detective, I guess, right? Folks, please help me with the fact check.
Mm,
Yeah,
Why
Mrunak,
coming
I
up here?
understood. Sorry?
Uh,
Take something that is square. So just give. Okay, there is another trick I'm gonna teach you on the images. If you type after platypus, just type in image size as a single word, space image size
okay.
colon 512 x 512. That is the dimensions that you can give. Okay, I'm just going directly inside the mic. I shouldn't do that.
Is that
512
fine?
x 512. 512 x 512.
Again, 5 into.
Again 512. Yes. So it is the width and height that you are trying to say. Cool. Take the first. Wait. No, no, no. Not x at the end. Remove the x at the end.
Okay. Does it?
Okay, you see that? Everything is like 512 by 512. It's a square one. Take the first one. First one seems to be really nice. Yeah. Wait for it to load. Yeah, now you save it. No, 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 no. Cancel it and save it again. And then use that as a bot's image. So that's going to be the bot. And Doofenshmirtz Evil Inc. Lol. Wow. That's awesome. Okay, cool. Yeah, that works. Hey, he really looks like a bot. Right. Save changes. Cool. Now copy the webhook URL. And now I'm gonna disable the screen sharing. Now go to your WhatsApp and then send it over to me. So that would be a reference for you as well. Okay. So now anyway we are keep the secret. Anyway, we are not going to share this anywhere else. So this is for your reference as well. So when you are coding or when I am coding, we both will be able to use this, and we will be using this to send out messages as per the platypus. Okay, so that's exactly what we are going to do. Should we do JavaScript first or Python first? Again, this is going. Sorry, this is going to be the community's choice. So who you want to see first? Thank you, Mronank. Hey, a lot of people are saying about the name Prasush. Do you think it is good, or should we bash them?
You decide.
I'm okay with it. What about you?
Okay then.
Wait. Let's see who says first. Like one Python, two JavaScript. Come on, folks. Come on. More support for JavaScript. More support for Python, Sushmita as well. Okay, JavaScript first. Oh my God, 5 people, 4 people are saying JavaScript. I'm pretty sure half of them, I don't know them, but they are supporting me. Look at them. Power of JavaScript. Oh my God, look at there. Look. All right then. So JavaScript it is. So let me try to share my screen. I'm just planning to do, so before that, let me know if everyone is able to see my screen in a few minutes. Can you all say if you're able to see my screen? Please confirm. Okay. Oh my God. What is this? Sushmita, some people are saying if Python is going to be first, we will have to leave the stream soon, it seems. Oh my God, you have to defend yourself now. Come on. Okay, cool. We will do JavaScript first. Whatever the community says, I'm going ahead with that. All right. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Replit for this. So Replit, you will be able to use it for free for creating something awesome. And there is also, I will be able to get you some hacker accounts for free. But let me see what is possible, because I tried to give a hacker account to Sushmita and it failed yesterday. Right, Sushmita?
Yeah.
I'm gonna kill those Replit people right now. So I'll see what they say. But maybe next time, definitely I'm gonna give away of doing a lot of hacker accounts, and let's see. So you can either sign up or you can log in. Logging in and signing up is very simple. It's a small form. All that you need to do is like create an email address and do it. So that's as simple as that. So since I already have a pro like hacker account, I'm just gonna try finding it out. Great. So Sushmita, yesterday it did not work, is it?
No,
The account. Right, cool. So I have done a lot of crazy things, but now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a quick Node.js based application, and it's gonna be like anyone can view and fork this REPL. So this is going to be okay. Before that, I'll also open my Discord as well. Okay. Feel free to type in your questions. And damn, do we even have an authentication code? Okay, yes, it's a 2-factor authentication. Great then. So this is my Discord. I hope I'm not showing anything stuff like, okay. So here we have got, so this is the Discord bot, and it says welcome to Python versus Node.js bot challenge. Boom. Okay, so all we need to do is we have this guy, right? We have our integration called Perry the Platypus, created by Sushmita, and we are going to make him say Sushmita is awesome or Praveen is awesome, something like that. Okay. So for that, what I'm going to do is I need to create something like this. So the same way, I'll just go to do pvb. Okay, we can actually do a prasush bot here. Okay, so let me create a REPL. Great. So I just created a simple Node.js application here. Okay, it is a very simple Node.js application. So I'm just going to put console.log and put welcome to prasush bot. Okay, and then I'm going to run this. It just says welcome to prasush bot. So to make sure it runs really a Node.js thing, I'm also going to make this big. Console.log. What do you think the answer will be for 0.1 plus 0.2? If I clear everything and run it, what is it gonna say? Please tell me. Let's look at the comments. Thank you so much for everyone for coming in. So I'm just looking for who's gonna say the correct answer. Come on, a correct answer will get you a hacker account for free. Damn. Don't Google it, by the way. Nothing so far. No one yet. Come on, guys. Come on, girls. Come on, folks. Come on, developers. Okay, I have to be inclusive. Yeah. Okay, so Shubham Patel, yes, hoodie mode on. Okay, Udit Sharma says 0.3. Okay. Any other answers? Damn, Sankalp, you just cheated by opening Google or something like that. Maybe, yeah. So I guess that should be the answer. So if you run it, it is definitely Node.js. Great. So now what we are going to do is, let's see if I could do something in the npm, which is shell. So if I do ls-la, I can see that these things are there, which is great. So if I try to do npm install, let's say, what is the best simple thing that I can do npm install? I can do nodemon. Great, that actually works. I hope. How many of you have already tried using this? Nice, that actually worked. Okay, cool. So I just need to update my package.json file then. Okay, cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an npm init, and it's going to say pbb prasush bot. That's okay. Version 1 is okay. Bot 2 query the platypus. And entry point is index.js. Yes. So this is going to be very slow at this point. I don't know why. Recent times, Node.js has become slow in the entry point alone. Author Praveen, that's me. Yes. Okay, cool. So we have got all these things. Now, if we go to the package.json, I can clearly see there is something called as scripts. And here, I'm going to put start. I'm going to use nodemon and index. That is my start script. And I'm going to save this. If I do npm start here, great. So it shows me the 0.0034. So we are able to make this whole thing work in Replit. So if I try to remove this one and say Sushmita is great. Oh, look at this. This is actually like live saving. I guess I need to stop doing that. I don't think there is any problem like so. Unit test, database, secrets, environment variables. Great. Maybe I can actually add a secret information. So, okay, cool. So if I say bot key, and then I'm saying Praveen key, and add a new secret. So it actually says something like this: const my secret equal to process.env bot key. Great. So if I do console.log bot key, and if I do my secret is undefined. Dude, what? If you invite as multiplayer collaborators, they will have access. Okay, got it. So where is this bot key now? I can't even find the bot key. It's undefined. This is so crazy. Does it still says undefined? Yep, it says undefined. So that's not really a valid key then. Let me try using process.env and see what all things are there. It's an object. Yes, we know that. So JSON.stringify, and we'll put this. Damn. Okay. So this is the way you can debug JavaScript. And I'm literally failing myself here. And this always happens. So that's completely fine. So if you see if there is any bot keys here, I couldn't see this. Okay, let's look at I
think there's something written as access the secret key by.
exactly. It should have some kind of a what do you call this? A prefix or something like that. So repellent secrets not working on node. Hey, wait. I guess I made a mistake. Did I even shut it down? I did not, right? I have to do npm run and npm run back again so that bot key is initialized. Did it do? Like, wait, dot bot key. Let's try it. Bot key is undefined again.
Hey, Praveen, there is something written in the bottom, at the bottom. Like, access the secret key by key as.
This is a public keys. It's some REPL public keys, I guess. Okay, let's quickly look at what people are saying. Hey, someone called Satyam is talking something which I don't understand. Anyway, okay, so I'm on Python side. Okay, fine. All right, so I'm just going to quickly look at how to add secret keys, how to add access secret REPL it. So keeping secret, and we should be using something like API key and add a new secret. And then it says os.getEnv. Okay, this is Python. Okay. What about JavaScript node? So we can have something called as env file, and we can use this one. So let's try this. And you should be using it using OS JavaScript process.env token. So let's try doing that now. So this is not at all working. So delete this one, and bot key is what I've been using, right? So let's create a new .env file. Okay, you cannot create these things. Environment variables. So bot key and value is bot key, add a new secret. Let's try it once again. If this does not work, let's screw this. We are not doing this. Let's try to get the key in the plain text. There is no other way to do this. So I'm just gonna create another file, which is called as a constants.js. And here I'm gonna do a const key is equal to, this is super secret. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do export default key. Okay, so now here in the index, I can do like require constants. Okay, it says unexpected token export. Okay, you should use module.exports. So now you got the bot key here. Okay, So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna share this file at all anywhere. So I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna go inside the constants and update the key with it. But before that, I need to get rid of this one. And so this is actually a URL, to be honest. Okay, so the key is going to be a URL. So yes, that's it. I'm not at all never ever gonna show this key again. So what would be the best thing that we can do in this general channel? And it needs to keep on sending a message every couple of hours. What would be the best thing? Should it be like the number of COVID people at this particular area, or should it be like what is the time now in different time zones? Which one would you think will be working?
We can ask in the chat section.
Yeah.
From the people.
No, Kapil, who will win will be based on that difficulty and complexity. Okay, so you can start looking at the Node.js with this basic information. This is the starting of Node.js stuff. So can someone say this one, like what would be the best idea? Like every couple of hours, it needs to send a message. So what message will be good? Okay, I guess let's start with sending the time, current time. Okay, so before that, I would like to show a small plugin that I used it. It is really nice. So I need to know what is the name of the plugin. I'm sorry. So let me try to find it out. So the name of the package is, okay, wait. It's called Discord webhook node. So that is the package that I have been using. So I'm gonna share that right now. So it is in the npm registry as well, and it provides a lot of awesome things here. Okay, so all you need to do is the installation is npm install discord webhook node, and so I go back to our stuff here. So I close this one. So it says npm install discord webhook node. So now it takes some time to install this dependency. That's done. And I'm just going to import this. So const. So I'll just use the same thing, like const webhook is equal to this one. This is what we need to use here. So we have done that. And now with this, we should be working on okay, the first thing that we need to use is the basic stuff is like we need to have a image URL, which we already had in the stuff, right? So we don't need to set the avatar. Avatar is already set as the Perida platypus. We'll just try to do one simple thing. So we want to send a success message. Okay, so this is going to be a success hook. So what I'm gonna do is hook, we need to design, like we need to create a hook. So we need to do the hook as the webhook URL, which we already took it from the my secret, right? So new webhook, you will be getting this webhook URL. So I'm just gonna remove this and put it as my secret. Okay, so that actually contains the webhook URL. Now it has hook.success. This is a success hook, success field title here, and etc. So instead of success hook, the time now, like that we will put. Then we have, okay, for now let's try to run this out. Okay, so let's see what it actually shows for us. So instead of using node mount, I'm going to use node and then use index. Okay, I hope this works. So I'll put Sushmita is great in the last and enter. It says Sushmita is great, but look at this. Perry the platypus came in and it said success hook, success field title here, success field value here, today at 11:11. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we know what exactly is coming here. And there is also one more thing. It has an image and other things. So there is something called as a message builder. So let's try to find out what is the message builder. This is the message builder thing. So we can get the, okay, so how simple was this one to create this? So what I can say is Perry is here, and just to say I'm here. Hey everyone. This is just a field title, I guess. And we can say hola. We can give a wave symbol. Okay, so if I try to run this, bam, look at this. It's very simple webhook. So what do you think about this? How easy was this? Hey, just Kirat. COVID news seems to be better. Okay, cool. That's a great COVID notification based on request. Okay, so does anyone know is there any open COVID API thing available? So let's try open COVID API. There is something called as GHO data, and okay, that's cool. Actually, we can do it. So COVID API is really a good idea. What do you think, Sushmita?
Yeah, we can go for it.
I need one single country COVID data. There's a Twitter API collection, featured API collection, additional API collection. Okay, let's try to go to the featured API collections. I hope everything is free. COVID tracking project. Okay, documentation. Okay, API states. Do you need an API key or something? No, right? I hope so. States info. What does this do? So this is actually giving a lot of details about a different number of states. So what does that mean? So I guess this is completely into United States. Damn. Is there anything for India? Get countries. Okay, cool. So let's try this. So that, no. It says page not found. What? Okay, let's try to do tracker URL. No, wait. They're all get location, right? But I don't understand this. It's only for US. Okay, let's do this. Let's try HTTP. Yeah, still it says it's gonna do the same thing. Okay, let's look at the community people. Is there anyone who says? Okay, Satyam says message, stay at home, stay safe. Let's quickly implement that. So in simple terms, what we can do is just Perry is here, stay at home, stay safe. And let's try to run this. Bam, stay at home, stay safe. Okay, so I'm gonna delete all this idiotic messages from him, and we'll try to run this once again. So you can see the bot's face coming up here. Okay, so Perry the platypus says, stay at home, stay safe. Today at 11:15 a.m. That's my local time. I believe Sushmita's system will show a different time. By the way, now we need to look into some kind of a data from this one, right? COVID India API. This is awesome. This is a raw data. So, but that's a CSV file. Whoops, that's a CSV file. We cannot use a CSV file here. API.covid19india.org. Okay. Everything is CSV. That's the worst thing here. Is there any JSON? Is this a GitHub repo? Perfect. It's a GitHub repo. So we would be able to see this copy link address. And what exactly is this? Okay, sheets to CSV. Right. It is doing some kind of a parser. So how do I change? Okay, we can try to do something like CSV to JSON on Node. But before that, we need to do Node fetch. So npm install Node fetch, and let's try to see if we are able to get the CSV as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do const fetch equal to include node, oops, node fetch. And now if I try to do this, fetch this dot then res is res dot text for now, and then dot then text as console dot log, oops, text. Let's see if this works really. If it doesn't work, we need to think of something else. Node index. This might be a bit difficult. Okay, include. It's not include. Sorry, require. It's bad. Whoa, we got the data. Okay, please stop it. No. Damn, this is my fault. Okay, cool. So we have actually got the data perfectly, and but this doesn't look like it is the API data. I guess the CSV is completely totally a different thing. It's about the details awaited. No, not this one. Okay, this is a REST API, and all we need to do is look at this JSON. Boom, we got it, right? But this is so huge. But still, this is perfect. We will just take the first time series alone, and I guess it is 31 January. It's going something like that. So let's see what exactly they have got it here. So if we refresh this one, the data.json has got state-wise time series, and if you take the last one, you got the daily confirmed data and the date as well. It is like every single day it is getting updated, I guess. So we will take this JSON and try to add it here. So let's go back to here. Instead of this, we'll use this. This is going to be res.json, and JSON is going to be console.log object.keys. I just want to see what is there inside this JSON. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. And object.keys. So we need to do json.stringify again on this object.keys null. Okay, so I guess this is going to be very confusing for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Visual Studio Code to quickly format this. Change language mode, GSR. Okay, cool. This is better. All right. Now this is a bit better, right? So you can see that you're first getting the data as JSON, and then you're going to convert it into the object keys, and then you're trying to see what is there available here. Okay, so if I try to do this, you get case-wise time series, state-wise tested. Okay, these three things. So this works perfectly. Now I'm gonna say hook shut up, and let's go ahead and delete all these hook messages. I guess Sushmita, your time is going to be really tough now. You have to implement the same thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it out. So if I try to do case time series, what I want to display here is this is supposed to be json.casetime series. So here const data json.case time series. I want to do a data.reverse so that it kind of like reverses the new data. If I do console.log data of 0, the last data, to be honest, I could get something like daily confirmed, daily deceased, daily recovered. We will just take these three things alone. Okay. So we can do something like today, this is what happened. So what we need to do is const. These are the three things which I want to take. And these three things are from data of 0. Okay. Let's format it once again. We will have this formatter on here. This looks nice. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to get this particular data right now. So console.log is going to be something like this. Three things. And let's try again. Bam, we got these three things. Now what we need to do is with this data, we just need to do a hook.info. It's not a success message because no way we can say this as a success message. So let's try info. Perry is a doctor now. Stay home, stay safe. And instead of doing this one, it should not be a field message. So this needs to be a message builder. So I'm just going to copy this whole thing. Instead of hook.info, I'll create const embed is equal to new message builder. Okay, damn, this is not formatted again. Okay, cool. So now we could do the title stuff. So title is Perry is a doc. We don't need the author details here because it is already there. Set URL. I'm just going to put my website. We don't need any field details. So let's go here. We will show a red kind of a thing, RGB, right? F00 thumbnail. So this is a thumbnail that you can actually set for this. Wait, it's a thumbnail or image or footer. Okay, so image is something that is not avatar. Let's not use any footers for now. And inside the description is what we will be doing. So here we'll put these things. Daily confirmed. And I'm just going to put confirmed. I guess I should be using a message builder really. So const message or description is going to be this way. So daily confirmed is going to be $. Daily confirmed. The same way we have other things as well. Diseased and recovered. This is going to be $, daily deceased, and this is going to be $, daily recovered. A lot of things lies in the copy pasting part, and thumbnail is something like an image that we can use. So COVID-19, so COVID-19 virus file type PNG is what I'm searching for. Oh my God, this is crazy. Right. So let's find the nice virus image. I'll just use this. Looks better. In the meantime, any comments from our community? Hey, a lot of cheers is for you, Sushmita. So we'll see how it is going on for you. Okay, copy image, and I got this thumbnail here. Okay. Now I've already set the description, so all I need to do is um, add three things. So inside this, I want to add the desk. So now we have done this. I've set the image, I have set the timestamp. Now if I just run this, so look at this, everything is clear, or like let's do this way. Let's keep this one on the left. We can remove the member list, and we can have this on the right. Okay, ready? Bam. Oh, message builder is not defined. Where is the webhook? Okay, come on, message builder. Okay, ready? Second attempt. So that actually worked. See, we created the message builder, but we did not actually send it. So all we need to do is let's go back. We need to do hook.send as embed. So many mistakes I am doing. I'm so sorry, folks. Okay, last attempt. This time it's going to win. Okay, everyone ready? There you go. But why does this image come in? That's interesting. Oh, look at this one, set image. This is where we need to put this one. So we will put this. We don't need the thumbnail. Okay, let the thumbnail also be there. Delete this image. Bam. Daily confirmed cases, this much. Daily reported as this much. So that's about the JavaScript part of things. So I'm just gonna stop my screen sharing. And so Sushmita, it's all yours now.
Okay.
How was it so far?
It was great. Actually, I was learning to implement this in JavaScript.
So we have
now,
a lot of messages on the community saying like the chat has a lot of things that are not English. So do you mind translating it for me?
yeah.
So again, Vignesh, this is not a COVID notification based on request. It is going to be every couple of seconds or something like that. We can set a set timeout or set interval, and we can do that way. Yeah, Sushmita. Now it's your turn.
Okay. So I'll share my screen.
Go ahead.
Can I share a screen? Is it visible?
Yeah. Bam. It's visible now. Sorry, I did not notice it. Had to switch something.
Okay. So here we'll create another webhook for Python.
Hey, thanks a lot, Suraj. You are the first person who has given me something, and this really motivates me. Thank you so much. Hey, but Suraj, can you please tell me what you mean by that? I did not understand the language. Sorry, I don't understand Hindi. Hey, Koi Mil Gaya. I really love that movie. Although I don't understand Hindi, but I saw it in Tamil. I really loved the Jadu character. Hey, Unnati. Suraj Kumar Chaudhary, would you like to please tell me your Twitter ID as well? I just want to give a thanks. You have been the first person who sent me something like this.
Hey, why is it not?
Okay, yes, you can do that. So if you want to try doing a bot, yes, that's also fine.
Okay.
Whatever you want to do, just go for it.
Oh, why is it not creating new tab? I don't know.
Can you try
I,
doing Control T or something like that?
yeah.
Great,
Okay.
awesome.
So
Shortcuts always win.
yeah. So uh, I'll use I'll use Replit, or should I use Visual
Whichever is
VS Code?
whichever you are comfortable with. So something that works like this, some kind of a challenge. Like this is what I did. So something that I know that you can do something better than this. So go ahead, win it. I know you will win it. And I have
Okay.
no clue why am I supporting you because I'm also in the competition, but I really want you to win.
I've never used Replit, but it's gonna be fun.
I mean, like, no, it's completely fine. If you have not used it, don't try it right now, or maybe you
Okay.
can try it later. But just
Okay.
try to focus on like winning your match right now.
Okay. We can create a new folder. Okay. So this is our Python project. So I'll first um, create a new virtual environment.
Mhm. Hey, sorry. All we can see is your Chrome.
Okay. So should I
I
switch to
guess you might need to stop
their
screen
entire?
sharing.
Okay.
Use the entire screen option. Great. VS Code is there.
Okay. So we'll create a new virtual environment for this.
What does a virtual environment mean? Sorry, I'm completely zero with Python.
Okay, so virtual environment in any project is like a container. It contains all the dependencies. Like when you install in JavaScript, you install by using
Node module.
npm. So you have
Yeah, got it.
a pip env or something. I don't know. In JavaScript, you
Pip
have a
install,
file
right?
pip npm. You just install by using npm install. So
Yeah.
here in Python, we have this virtual environment, and
Mhm.
we place all our dependencies in this. So
Okay.
yeah. Okay, so we have created this. Now we'll activate this source VNV, then activate. So you can see now this here VENV. That means that our virtual environment is activated. And
Nice.
okay, so first we'll install Discord. So we'll do
Mhm.
pip install Discord. This is the
I'm
library
gonna,
which we'll use
folks, I'm
to.
gonna hide myself from the view so that Sushmita is gonna take over my channel. Go on, Sushmita. You rock the whole thing.
Okay, so we have installed Discord. So now we'll create a file. We can name we can name it anything. Let's say main.py. So here first we'll import Discord to get the whole library. Then okay. So first what we'll do is first we'll create the bot. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I don't know why this is not working. Okay.
That's awesome.
So
Okay.
okay. So
I'll
I'll
also
go to
see if there is anyone who is telling any comments on the chat, I'll just tell you.
Okay. So I'll go to the developer section of Discord to create a bot. So this is the URL, like Discord/developer. So here you can get access to the develop. If you want to develop any application or anything to Discord, you can use this. So we'll create a new application for it. And in application, you can do anything. Like if you want to connect with Discord API, you need to create an application for it. So we'll first create an application, and we can name it like Python.
That's awesome. Okay.
Challenge.
Hey, some people are saying, Sushmita, some people are saying that it is not visible. Would you like to please zoom it in a little bit? I guess you can do Control Plus if you are using a. Are you on a Mac or a Windows or a Linux?
I'm on Linux.
Control Plus then enable.
Seeing my Visual Studio Code or
I'm looking at your Visual Studio Code. It says warning, you are using pip version 2101, however version 21. That's what we see.
I need to stop the screen and share my whole screen because
Go for it.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm not. I'm doing this first time, so I don't know much.
That's completely fine.
Yeah. Okay. So desktop one is okay. So now can you see the screen?
I could see something called as create an application, that window.
Okay, so you didn't follow up to this, how I did this?
No. So first, oh my God. Okay, that whole thing went off, I guess.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay.
Would you like to do it once again? Sorry. Thank you.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is we'll create an application for our Discord server, like for anything. If you want to interact with the Discord API, you need to create an application for it. So we'll first create an application. So we can access this by Discord application. Sorry, Discord developers portal. This is the developers portal where you can do the things. So we'll create a new application and we'll name it anything like Python versus Node.js challenge. So this is our application, and what we'll do is we'll create another bot inside this application. So bot is a small part of the application, so we need to create a new bot. We can do many things inside an application. So for bot, we'll create a new bot. I guess this should, okay. Add bot. Yes, do it. So this will create a bot for our application, and we can name it as anything. Can you suggest any name?
A lot of people already suggested Prasush bot. Maybe you can use that now.
Yeah. So yes, Prasush bot is created. Save changes. Okay.
It looks like there is one person who has created a channel with very useful videos for junior developers, Mohit Rakade. So a shout out for him. Thanks, man.
Let's switch to this tab now.
We are actually looking at, yeah. Okay, cool.
Okay. So we have created the bot now.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. So now we'll give the permissions to bot to like how it can interact with our server. What permission does it need? So
okay.
So creating bot has an advantage that you can invite this bot in another server also. Like if you send the invite link to anyone, so it will invite this bot to another server also.
So this is not just like a webhook that lies in a channel, but it's actually a user which lies inside Discord, which can be taken in any of the channels, any of the servers. Different. Yeah. Okay, cool. That looks nice.
Yeah. So we had created this bot. Now we'll give permissions to it. So this is a bot. So I'll take this bot, and now to give this permissions, what what permissions do we need to provide it? We need to check that out. Okay, so it can send messages, manage messages, attach files, mention everyone, like read message history, add directions. You can use this. Create channels also. So this looks perfect. Okay, so this link is here from which we can invite the bot to any server. So if I go to this link, like if I'm pasting this here,
Okay.
so here I can see the list of servers I am having admin privileges of. So this is our server. So if I select this and we continue, it will ask for permissions. I can authorize this, and now yes, I'm human doing.
Wow, this is awesome. I have never seen this kind of a view at all. Awesome. Sushmita, would you be interested in creating, like, let's do a complete expert session along with you? You explain everything about Python Discord bot basics. How does that sound?
Yeah, that sounds cool. I can do it. We'll discuss about this. So,
Woohoo!
yay! So we invited our Prasish bot. So it is here now, but it is not online. You can see that it is offline because we haven't like run this bot yet. So yes, so the bot is here. Yeah, so it will not interact with you now. So we need to activate this bot now. So we had created this. Sorry, we have imported this Discord now in our application. Now what we'll do is we'll create a bot, and we can do this by using Discord client. So what it does is it returns a user. It returns a user, like the bot is a user, Discord.client. So okay, so now what I'll do is okay. So like in Python, we generally use sequential function calls. Everything we do inside Python, we create a function and we run it. So this is all synchronous. But in Discord, what we are doing is we are doing asynchronous calls. So this is something which you might not have been aware of, that we can do. We can also do asynchronous calls. And I think Praveen can better explain this topic. Would you like to?
Definitely, sure. So, for example, asynchronous calls and promises. These are the things that is very common with Discord and sorry, with uh, talking
Yeah.
between different servers. So, what happens is when you're trying to create a dependency on something else, you don't know when the response will be coming back to you. For example, let's take a real world example. Sushmita, if I ask you for 10 rupees, will you give me? I'm going to say that I'll be giving it to you very soon. And do you give me a 10 rupees?
I will give you.
And you will be waiting for me to give it back, right?
Hmm.
So what happens here is Sushmita doesn't know when I will be giving it back to her. I don't know when I will be giving back to her as well, because I need to go to my home, pay the rent, and then bring the money and travel through the traffic and then come back to her to give it back to her. So there are multiple unknowns here. It could be your CPU time, it could be your network situation, it could be the network's CPU situation. A lot of things play here. So what happens is the moment Sushmita gives me the 10 rupees, which means the moment the client sends a request to the server, the command will immediately give a promise, like I say, I promise you to return it as soon as possible. And then what happens is the server goes ahead and tries to get the response. Once the response is gotten, there will be an event that gets triggered, which is called as a callback, you can say, or you can say the response. This is called as an asynchronous programming. Like, it is an asynchronous data flow. I hope it is clear. Any questions? I'm happy to answer. Sushmita, how was my explanation? Was it bad or shit?
No, it was great. So like Praveen explained, in asynchronous calls, everything is like a coroutine, and what we are doing is like it is not synchronous. In synchronous callbacks, what we are doing is first we in Python, like it is an interpreted language. So what it does is it first checks out which function call is called first, and then like if you are for example
Like a
if you are,
stack,
yeah,
correct?
yes, correct. So it is implementing it is executing sequentially. So but in asynchronous calls, everything is like it is waiting for something to be done, and it is when it like it is waiting for this to be completed, and then it returns the call to that particular uh, coroutine. So this is what it does. So what we'll do is we will create an asynchronous function by adding async keyword before that function. So what we'll do is on ready. So on ready, this is defined by Discord's library. So what it does is uh, it just um, it is called when the Discord when the client is ready. So what we'll do is let's print something to just check out everything is going well. I'm ready, and we can. mm, mm, mm. By the way, all asynchronous calls are uh, use events to implement that. So we'll create an event, and that will be bot dot event.
How many of you would like to get a Replit discount on or discount or completely free Replit account on the hacker plan? Just say yes, I want, and give your support to Sushmita right now.
Okay, so to run that bot in our application, what I'll do is I'll go to the bot section and I'll copy this token to use it in our program, and we can paste this here, or we can also paste this in our environment variables, and then we can use it. So for now I'll be just using it here. So this is the token.
Cool.
Okay, so what it will do is it will run the bot. Now if I do python main.py, why did it just say end of file? Let's run it once again.
Is this going to be an interactive bot, Sushmita?
Yeah, we can do that.
Great, nice. So it's just us both on the screen. You wanted me to hide it, right?
Yeah.
Let me know when I should share the screen. Hey Aditya.
So you can share it now.
Hey. Cool. Can everyone see the Visual Studio Code window? Please confirm.
Oops, it should run now. Okay, so it is ready now, and it says I'm ready. That means that the bot is ready, and I think it is online too. Here you can see that the bot is online.
Nice.
Yay, the bot is online. Now I can do anything. Like we can create. Uh, okay. So we can create a function own message. What it does is own message function sees all the messages from in the channel, and it will see if we and it will see if like what we'll do is we'll not see if the message is by itself. So first we'll check. Let me let me
Okay.
do one thing here. Let's comment it out. Let, let me print the username of the bot. So the bot is our bot, and if we print the bot dot user variable, it should return the username. Okay, it's not string, so we'll convert it to string. Okay, so here we got it. We got the Prasush bot and the username of this bot. So,
That's super cool. Okay.
yeah. So now we'll check if the message is by bot itself, it will not see this. So if bot.user equals to okay, so this on message, it will take the message, and if the message dot author is same, then what we'll do is we'll return. So this makes sure that it will not see the message itself. So here, else what it will do is else like ls message dot content dot starts with mm, let's say hello.
So this actually taps into all the messages that's been sent over, right?
Yes, yeah.
That's super
So
cool.
let me print it like we can print
Kapil
them.
says that it should be author.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, wait. This 018 Kapil, you might, do you know him?
Yeah, he's my friend.
Okay, 005 and 018. Okay, got it.
Yeah, yeah, we are in the same class, so that's
Hey
why.
Kapil, welcome to the live stream.
Okay, so I think it should work now. Message dot content. We'll run it again. Hope it is not thrown in it.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if we will send a message like hello, okay. Mm,
Okay, it
it
did say
didn't print the
something.
content.
No,
Yeah.
no yet. Wait. Oh, so what just happened here?
Okay. So it didn't work for now. So what we'll do is mm, let's let's do one thing.
How is it going so far, folks? Hey Gurinder, what Sushmita is currently doing is using Python. Before this, I was doing it using Node.js, and that was fun as well. Currently, it is Python. So we have fun with data
Oh,
science Shambhavi in the chat as well as Gurinder Kaur. Both of them are here. Hey, both. Yes, Sushmita, go on.
okay. So we are checking the Discord API to get the
Mhm.
exact. Okay, on messages. Yeah. Oh, so it's so we are doing it this message.channel await channel.sim. Mm, Bam. We didn't created the event today.
Ah,
So that's why it was not working. So
I made a lot of mistakes, so that's completely fine. It's always okay to make mistakes and learn from it. So
yeah.
yeah, a quick tip for everyone who is just starting to do programming: you will make a lot of mistakes. That's completely fine. So don't worry about that.
English. Please reply me. Oh,
Hey, Sushmita, I guess
yeah.
we need to tell the promised story once again. I guess because Gurinder here she missed it. Could you explain why asynchronous is being used here? The reason is we are depending on another server, which is the Discord API. I guess, right, Sushmita?
Yeah.
You want
So
to take it up?
we are not doing sequential calls. It is checking every message and it can be asynchronous. Like it is not sequential. That's why we are using asynchronous calls rather than using simple like sequential calls, which we always do. So that is why we are doing this. It should work, I think.
Let me know if you have any more questions, Gurinder and others. We are happy to explain it. Yay.
Let's
So many hello messages. Hey, precious bot. Another take, another punch. Come on, work.
I'm doing this after a long time. I just forgot the syntax. Okay, hello. Oh, so finally, it replied.
Woohoo!
Yay.
Okay,
Okay,
so it
so
is dollar hello, not hey. So that does not work. So if I try to do dollar hello, that works. If I do hello with this, that won't work as well. Great.
yeah.
Nice.
So now we'll try to do something for like get the COVID-19 cases. So we'll create
So you have the
another.
URL, right? The API URL. If you
Yeah,
want, I can
send.
send it to you.
Yeah, you can send me.
Give me a second.
What we'll do here is
Yep, I have sent it in the Discord itself. Just a second. Bam. Take data from here bot. Maybe I should do this way. Dollar hello. Did the bot respond? Yeah, the bot is just responding. It is not actually fetching the data. Like after hello or what message I am sending, it is not doing that. Okay, that's fine. So does it send one? It starts with right. Yeah, it starts with hello. Okay,
yeah. So
cool.
if the message starts with this, it will reply it hello. So we are just doing this for now.
Got
So
it.
now, yeah. So now we'll check for this prefix. Like if the message is dollar check COVID, it will send a message called like for testing we can send COVID. Now let's
And it also
bot.
shows that this is a bot as well. Okay, cool.
Yeah. So if I say check COVID, this is the command is this. It says COVID. Okay. So now we'll implement the API. So what we'll do is we'll import requests to get all the data
You
from
need the
URL.
first one, the last array element. That is what you need to get.
Okay, the last array element.
Yeah, because it is in the normal chronological order. Each array element is the date and number of cases. So you might want to take the last one.
Okay, so this is pretty simple now to send a message and get a message back from the bot. So now what we'll do is we'll
Hey Shivam.
URL is to this. So mm, let's print something requests dot get URL and let me see. Let's print. Okay, so we need to first install request. Request is a library for fetching the contents on the web and doing get and post request. Okay. If I do the same thing again, forward, sorry, check forward. It says COVID, and it responds with response 200. So what we'll do is we'll get this and we'll print the content here. Replit was so easy. Like I have to run it
Okay,
again.
got it.
Yeah, information.
So only for this, two-way interaction, we might need to use the OAuth app. Otherwise, okay. Whoa, something is happening.
Oh,
COVID.
so we got the JSON. Like
We
we
got
got
the
the
JSON.
response.
Yes.
Yes, we got the response. So what we'll do is we'll JSONify it. So let's
Okay, we do have something like a slash messages. So will we be
slash.
able to do slash Giphy? If you just type in slash on Discord, you'll be able to get a lot of things. Type in slash.
Yeah,
See?
yeah, we can like change the nickname and these things. Yeah, we can do these
Oh
things.
wow.
And so we can also interact with bot to do slash messages. Like it will read slash from it, and for
Okay.
example, yeah, we can do
No,
many
is it
things with.
possible to add inside this list of things? So it says built in here. Is it possible to add one more thing here?
I guess we can do this using this code API. We'll check this API
Okay.
reference from it and
Mm-hmm.
how to
Okay, cool.
interact with it. Yeah. So let's do this. We'll JSONify it and it says type error JSON module is not callable.
Oh, okay.
JSON dot, I think JSON dot JSON. It should be.
Do we need to see the documentation?
Is JSON loads yes. Okay, so it returned the JSON object.
Great.
Great. So what we'll do is we'll see what there is in the JSON. Yeah, this was it. So this is a list. So first we'll fetch this data and we'll do the last, we'll print only the last element. Oh, yay, it worked. So it just prints the last element. Yay. So it's this simple in this in Python. I think I'm winning.
Wait, it still prints out COVID on the Discord, right?
Yeah, I need to send that in a message. So what we'll do is
Okay, I'm gonna strangle this bot to death. Bam. Okay, I guess you might as well try catching the. I mean, this is something like I could say as
Yeah.
a
Yeah.
enhancement. So you can cache the results and then save it as a local variable or something like that. If the last check was the same day, you don't need to check it again, so that you can save the bot some stuff. But wait, one more question I wanted to ask. This bot is running locally in your computer, right?
Yeah.
And how does
But it has the key, and this
Ah,
key is
okay. It is
connected
actually
to the.
connected through this. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. It keeps long polling or something like that. Got it.
Yeah. So this is current day, and you can check. First of all, let's print it out. Let's send it out in the server. Mm, what we'll do is we'll take daily confirmed cases, daily deceased, and what you did. I need to check.
Folks, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also connect with Sushmita. She's been doing a lot of things, and her LinkedIn is in the description. Go check her profile out. Let's support Sushmita.
Mm, daily recommend. So let's check this. This does work.
Yes, Satvik. I'll upload it in GitHub. Hey, Ravina.
Okay, so it returned it. Now we'll just beautify this.
Nice. I have also updated the code on the description, and I have also added the code on the chat for the JavaScript version. So if Gurinder or Satvik, who is interested, they can look into the JavaScript part of things. I'll ask uh, Sushmita to send the Python code as well. Try to make it open source or something like that.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so we got this.
Nice. Damn, that's great. So every time it's going to send a request to that server, right? So I guess
Yes.
you just wanted to fix, you might want to fix one small colon after the recovered, a space
that's
after the confirmed.
Yes.
Daily disease seems to be correct. Just a space after confirmed and colon space after recovered.
Yes.
Let me know once you are done. I want to run the check COVID.
Yes, I've done it. Now, we check.
I've sent the message.
Yay.
Woohoo! All
we
the
did it.
spaces are missing, by the way.
No worries. Like we'll just add a space.
You can do control D or something like that, so that you can easily like select all the three things and then give a single space. It will actually work. Let me know once you have.
You are the master of the tricks. I know.
I'm just a lazy person who uses all the shortcuts as much as possible. That's it.
Yes, you know so many tricks. Like I learned a lot from you. Really.
Hey, you're welcome, Satvik. No, it didn't work.
I didn't started the server again.
Okay, I'm gonna send my message right now.
Okay.
Damn! Yay! We made it. Okay, so time to decide who wins. So I guess, yeah. So that's the main part, right? So I'm just
Yes,
gonna
this is
stop the
it.
screen sharing and what? Sorry.
Yeah, this is it in Python.
Cool. So I have stopped the screen sharing. Thank you so much, Sushmita. And yeah, so I guess everyone saw how we both did it. Now it's time for you to judge whether I should get the prize or Sushmita should get the prize. I'm not going to say the prize right now. Sushmita is going to announce it tomorrow once she gets it. So it's going to be the community's decision. So what I have done is I'm going to vouch differently. I'm going to vouch the prize for Sushmita right now, even though I'm a competitor, because what happens here is like I just created a webhook which disguised as a bot, and then it just sent some messages, as simple as that. But Sushmita has really built a bot. Not only that, she also explained everything in the simplest way possible. And yeah, so I would let the people here decide. Okay, so wow, we have Sats here, who is an architect, and he has got a nice question for us. Among the two, which one would handle higher concurrency? Definitely not mine. And moreover, concurrency, do you mean, see, my bot just sends out an information every 1 hour. So there is no need of concurrency in this case. And what are the performance or load test results? What frameworks would you use? To make an objective results, show me the load test results. That's what Sats has messaged. So Sushmita, would you like to take up? So nothing of that sort actually applies to my bot because it's just going to send an information from the GitHub server. And yours?
And
I guess all these things belong to you.
Yeah, here is the same. Like it will respond to a message if we send a command like COVID, check COVID, and it will send the results from that API. to just fetch it and send it out.
Okay. So I guess since we have like a loads
This
of
will be
dependencies on the outside, like it's external server, that is what we are depending. I guess this will not be possible to do the load running test and etc. Since it's also using the GitHub's Varnish server, I believe that handles way lot more load than anything. I believe so. This is just my hunch. It's just my opinion. Anyone else would like to say anything about both the different apps? I'm planning to give something for SATs for getting this thing.
yeah.
You will all know in a few days, maybe, or a week's time. Thank you, SATs. You won something. Okay, cool. So I guess maybe if we go by the features list, I'll be more confident to say Sushmita is the clear winner in this part. Yeah. So let's vote for Python. Uh, Sad's got the damn answer. Like that's the perfect answer he can give me. I completely agree with him. So Sads, I made you a moderator here. Boom. Okay, so Vedant
Yeah.
says Python as well. I thought Vedant was actually supporting me in the first. No, no. Yeah, so go check out her LinkedIn profile, send her requests, and then you will be getting the source code of this Python as well. So Python app to get it. Uh, yeah, links are in the description. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more awesome things. Tomorrow we are going to do something like voice based, AI based Pac-Man game. So how many of you are ready? Hey, thanks Satvik for supporting me. So tomorrow is going to be a JavaScript thing. It's going to be a Node.js based one, and we are going to use something called as Alan AI. And it's not by me; it's by other two folks from the community. They are awesome, Shubham and Pulkit, and I hope Pulkit turns out this time because I don't. Yesterday, when we called him for the meeting, he did not come up. So, right, let's see who comes tomorrow. Tomorrow, I guess it is at 9:30 p.m. Indian time and 4:30 p.m. UK time. So don't forget, stay tuned. And Sushmita, some words from you as you are the clear winner here.
Thank you, everyone. So I think Python was the easiest approach to actually extend this thing, and yeah, it was a lot of fun doing this battle. I'm really looking forward to all your like the Pac-Man stream. Yeah, so that's about on my side.
Ooh, that was awesome. Thanks a lot, everyone, for tuning in, and thanks a lot for the support. Special mention to a couple of people here. So thank you so much for supporting me. Yeah. So see you all. Would you like to say a bye, Sushmita?
Yeah. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Yeah.
Let's see.